This homeowner in Brielle, New Jersey was having serious issues with his gutters. Not only were they badly damaged, but they were also leaking and causing some severe moisture issues and even a termite issue. So what we're doing is removing all the debris in the gutters and installing RainDrop Gutter Guards. This cutting-edge product provides maintenance-free, self-cleaning gutter protection for both new and existing gutters and is compatible with all roof types and gutter styles. Made up of its own unique polypropylene blend, the RainDrop Gutter Guard withstands severe storms and is specifically formulated to absorb heat from the sun, melting ice, and snow quickly to keep water flowing and blend seamlessly with your gutters. Most importantly, the self-cleaning gutter guards prevent buildup, keeping pests away and creating a safer, more enjoyable environment for your family. Another great feature of RainDrop is that it doesn't change the look of your home and is invisible from the ground. RainDrop is the last gutter guard you'll ever need.